Are you working out, eating clean, and still not losing weight? You're not alone, and it might not be your fault. The truth is, most people are trapped in outdated fitness advice and flat-out weight loss myths that sabotage real results. In today's video, we're exposing 10 popular myths that are secretly stalling your progress. Stick around, because myth number 10 is one even personal trainers keep falling for. Myth 1. You need to starve to lose weight. Cutting calories too low might help you lose weight quickly, but it also slows down your metabolism and triggers survival mode. Your body thinks it's starving and starts holding on to fat for protection. Plus, extreme restriction increases cravings, binge eating, and mood swings. Real fat loss comes from eating enough of the right foods: lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs at the right times. Starvation is not a strategy, it's a trap. Myth number 2. Carbs make you fat. Carbs are not the enemy. In fact, your body needs carbs for energy, hormone production, and brain function. It's the type of carbs and timing that matter. Whole grains, fruits, and veggies fuel your workouts and recovery. The real villain, highly processed carbs and sugar. Demonizing all carbs is like blaming water for drowning. It's about context and moderation. Myth number 3. You must work out every day. More isn't always better. Recovery is when the magic happens. Overtraining raises cortisol, breaks down muscle, and increases the risk of injury, all of which halt fat loss. You don't need to live in the gym. 3 to 5 quality workouts per week, combined with active rest days, is the sweet spot. Rest isn't laziness, it's strategy. Myth number 4, you can spot reduce belly fat. Doing endless crunches won't give you abs if your body fat is still high. Spot reduction is a myth. Fat loss happens systemically. You lose it all over, not just one spot. If you want visible abs, focus on full body strength training, clean nutrition, and reducing overall body fat. Abs are made in the kitchen, not just the gym. Myth number 5, fat makes you fat. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish are essential for fat loss. They regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling full. What makes you fat is overeating ultra-processed foods, not eating healthy fat. Your body needs fat to burn fat. It sounds ironic, but it's science. Myth number 6, the scale is everything. The scale can't tell the difference between fat, water, or muscle. You can lose inches, gain muscle, and look dramatically better without the number changing much. Obsessing over the scale creates stress, which increases cortisol and may cause water retention. Focus on how you feel, how your clothes fit, and your strength progress. The mirror is often a better judge than the scale. Myth number 7, you have to do hours of cardio. While cardio has its place, you don't need to spend hours on the treadmill to burn fat. In fact, excessive cardio can burn muscle, slow metabolism, and lead to fatigue. Instead, combine short, intense workouts like HIIT with strength training to build lean muscle, which burns calories 24/7. Even a 20-minute session can torch fat and keep your metabolism elevated for hours afterward. Train smart, not long. Myth number 8, healthy eating is always expensive. You don't need a big budget to eat clean. With some planning, healthy meals can be affordable and delicious. Staples like eggs, brown rice, canned tuna, beans, and frozen veggies are nutrient-dense and cost-effective. Avoid fancy diet foods and focus on whole ingredients. Prepping meals in advance helps you avoid impulse buys and makes it easier to stay on track. Eating healthy isn't about spending more. It's about making smarter choices. Myth number 9, you can out-exercise a bad diet. You can run 5 miles and burn 500 calories, then eat them all back with a slice of cake. Exercise is not a free pass to eat anything. Your body changes most from what you eat. Exercise enhances fat loss, tones your body, and boosts health. But nutrition is the driver. If your diet is off, no amount of burpees can fix it. Get your meals right first and use exercise to amplify your results. Myth number 10, one cheat meal ruins everything. Let's be clear, one cheat meal doesn't ruin your progress. Giving up does. You're human. You'll have a slice of cake, skip a workout, or eat out. That's life. What matters is how you bounce back. Think long-term. Consistency beats perfection every time. Enjoy your treats, forgive yourself, and get back to your healthy habits the next day. Real success comes from balance, not extremes. How many of these myths were holding you back? Let us know in the comments. Your answer might help someone else break free too. And if you're ready to replace the lies with real science-backed tips, make sure you hit like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell. Because in episode 7, we're diving into 10 fat-burning foods that belong in your kitchen. Stay focused, stay empowered, only with Akraks Health and Fitness.